Hi everyone, it's Susan with Perfectly Placed, and today I'm going to show you what I'm doing under my bathroom sink on the main floor. So I have a little problem going on here. I switched some things around in a different place and now I don't have room for the rags. It's getting kind of crowded and I'm going to show you how I solved that problem. So using the alpha shelves is making good use of the vertical space in this area. So I've got tampons, gloves, cleaning rags. I used this Lazy Susan for the cleaning products. I have a place for hand towels. And then this is also where I store these little tissues, and sometimes I have extra box tissues in there also. And just much better use of space. Thanks for watching.